Welcome to the demo of our AI-powered Kannada English voice summarizer. In the first step, user can upload an English audio file such as podcast or lecture. The system automatically detects the audio and prepares it for transcription and summarization. Two, alternatively, user can paste a YouTube link to any English video or backend servers, extract the audio stream and begins processing it, turning the lengthy content into clear, digestible summaries. Step three, the user can upload a video file in from which the audio file is extracted, and then the processing takes place to extract the content in the audio file. The user can easily paste the raw text directly. In addition to audio, user can paste raw text manually. This text goes into summarization engine and then it is translated into Kanglish and natural blend of Kannada and English.